iPhone doesn't turn on, stuck on a black screen, there are a few tricks that you can try. First, change the cable. Use the original cable. It doesn't matter if the cable charges other iPhone, just buy or borrow a new one. Plug it and wait for a half an hour. Second thing you can try is the hard reset. To do it, press home and power button and hold them for a half minute. After that, you should see the Apple logo. If your iPhone is stuck on Apple logo, then you should be especially careful. It needs to be restored and there is a possibility of losing your data. Third thing you can try is to change the charger for your iPhone. Just use something stronger. If you have problem with iPhone, use charger from iPad. It's a small chance, but it can help. Good luck.